The miracle behind the linen fabric. Deuteronomy 22 verse 11. Thou shalt not wear a garment of divers sorts, as of woolen and linen together. Why did God give this commandment to the children of Israel? For us to get the full meaning of this scripture, we need to go into science and find the scientific reasons why wool and linen materials should not be mixed as an attire on a human body. In 1900, all hospital beds had linen sheets. Doctors knew that the light frequency coming out of linen sheets had healing effects on the body of a sick person, and people used to heal quickly. In our modern hospitals, DuPont plastics is used, which builds up a bunch of static and makes people more sick over time. In 2003, a Jewish doctor named Heidi Yellen conducted a study on the frequencies of fabrics. According to this study, a human body has a signature frequency of 100, and organic cotton is also the same. The study showed that if the number is lower than 100, it actually puts a strain on the body. A diseased and a nearly dead body has a frequency of about 15, and that's where polyester, rayon, and silk register. Non-organic cotton registers a signature frequency of about 70. If a fabric has a higher frequency, it gives energy to the body. This is where linen comes in as a super fabric. Its frequency is 5,000. Wool also is 5,000, but when mixed together with linen, the frequencies cancel each other out and fall to zero. Even wearing a wool sweater on top of a linen outfit in the study collapses the electrical field. The reason for this could be that the energy field of wool flows from left to right, while that of linen flows in the opposite direction from right to left. As a result, when used together, collapses the electrical field of the body and puts a tremendous pressure on the body and causes health of an individual to deteriorate fast. Wow! Now we can understand why Yahweh gave such a commandment. Every time we come across a commandment, a precept, or an ordinance, we need to dig deeper so that we can understand why Yahweh gave such a law. In our observance of the Torah commands, we need to know the difference between the reason for a command and the purpose of a command. The search for the reason behind a commandment answers the question of why, or the explanation of causes. Why did Yahweh give us certain commandments? What caused him to legislate that command? Every one of these questions is directed to reason. The seeking of the purpose of a command is directed to answering the question of finding the meaning behind a commandment. This approach of study accepts the existence of the law and tries to define its meaning by finding the purpose that it is to be observed by the Torah observant believer. We should not ask why a person should observe them, but rather ask the question to ourselves: what is the true purpose or meaning that is expressed by these commandments? Thus, our task is to uncover the purpose of the law so that we may practice it in the true spirit and meaning of the Torah. Every commandment that Yahweh gave has a purpose behind it. Our ignorance of the purpose of a commandment does not cancel its purpose for our lives. Our ignorance of the commandment can lead to its abuse or misuse. Let's hope that now, when someone considers to buy bedding, linen would be the first priority. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, and hit the notification button so that you can continue to receive more biblical enlightening insights. See you in the next video.